Alright, so almost a week back मैंने आप सबसे पूछा था that let's do a fun learning activity. आपको क्या करना था, आपको ये बताना था कि आपके पोर्टफोलियो में कौन कौन से कॉइन्स हैं, कितने परसेंटेज एलोकेशन है एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्टेड योर क्रिप्टो जर्नी. सो हियर इज़ एन एग्जांपल. जैसे आई स्टार्टेड इन मार्च 20, माय पोर्टफोलियो इज BTC 20%, डोज 50%, शिबा 30%. एंड चीज़ों को और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए आई हैड सेड दैट द बेस्ट थ्री पोर्टफोलियोज विल गेट $10 in fiat from me. So this was the whole idea, and the deadline was 11:59 p.m. of 21st May. So let's review the portfolios. Okay. Now, just to be on the same page, मैं ये portfolios को fundamental analysis के level पे review नहीं करूँगा. I'm gonna review them on the basis of a very layman investor in a very conservative approach, because for someone who's just starting out in crypto, how should he or she start, उस approach से मैं से करूँगा. And how would I recommend my mother or my father or my grandparents to get started in crypto. Okay, so for example, this is the portfolio of Factory: TRX 40%, XTZ 20%, SHIB 20%, Matic 20%, and he started in the last week of April. So let's see, this is here, right? Yeah, so let's go and see TRX. Okay, TRX is Tron. You can see it's top 25 coin. Okay, let's see the other one. XTZ is Tezos, it's 35. Then there is some amount of SHIB and Matic. So if I go back here and if I start from here, so let's see. Um, this is Matic Polygon, right? And then SHIB is like this is Tron, and then SHIB is here 34. So overall the portfolio looks decent. Like most of the coins are in the top 40, which is really good, or top 35, because it means that this portfolio is still comparatively okay for someone who's just starting out. But the biggest downside that I see is there is no Bitcoin, there is no Ethereum. Okay, so the most two famous cryptocurrencies are totally non-existent in this portfolio. So this portfolio is totally, like we say, alt heavy. Okay, so we consider Bitcoin the king, and we say that a portfolio should always have some amount of Bitcoin. Similarly, a portfolio should also have some amount of Ethereum. इस portfolio में ये दोनों ही चीज़ें नहीं है, and that is why this portfolio is extremely alt heavy. And I would not I would not recommend such a portfolio to my parents or my grandmother who is just starting out in crypto, because when Bitcoin dips, all of these coins are going to go down. Okay, so, and they are going to go down heavy. We have already seen this in this recent crash. So I would say that this portfolio is still okay, but if you can include Bitcoin and Ethereum, so for example, TRX is 40%, XTZ is 20, SHIB is 20, Matic is 20. So if you can include BTC and ETH, okay, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and let's say you have Bitcoin and Ethereum to 30, 40% or 50%, that is going to balance your portfolio a lot, because overall it's going to have a couple of large caps, then some mid caps, and that way you're going to minimize the risk. So this is how I would say, if I have to rate it, I would say this is an okayish portfolio. Like, I would not personally go ahead with it simply because no Bitcoin, no Ethereum in it. Awesome. So the second portfolio that we are seeing here is of Sagar. He's saying that he bought Doge, he bought BAT, and he sold all of his XRP, and now thinking of buying Tron and Skymoon. So again, there is no Bitcoin, there is no Ethereum. I at any point of time won't consider a portfolio a good portfolio as long as it does not have at least 30 to 40% of Bitcoin and Ethereum in it. Okay, and that's my personal uh, opinion. It's not financial advice. So again, I would say okayish portfolio. This is very alt heavy. If Bitcoin dips hard, this portfolio can go down by 60, 70, 80%. Not a biggie. Okay. So the next one is by Anthony. He started 2 days ago. Tron 50%, Bitcoin 30%, Ethereum 20%, which still looks decent. Like, I would say this is still a very decent portfolio simply because he has diversified 50% in Bitcoin and Ethereum. The only thing where I'm a little concerned is too much into Tron, like 50%. So my recommendation would be to, go into another alt that can be a top alt. So for example, you can go in BNB, you can go in ADA, you can go in DOT, Uni, Link, any of these, and balance it out with Tron, because you should have one or two alts where you are going like 20-25%. So overall, this looks very decent. If I would have to recommend it to my mom, I would just tell her that instead of going too deep in Tron, too heavy in Tron, just maybe go into more into BNB, like go 30% into BNB and 20% into Tron. Because in the beginning, when you are starting out, the goal should not be to make a lot of money. The goal should be to conserve your capital. See, people who survive in the long run in crypto end up making money. It's not a big deal, it's not a big factor. But people who lose their capital can never make the same amount of money, right? So, if you're just starting out, your goal should be to save your capital. When you are entering into any coin, you should first ask yourself, what is it that I can lose here? Instead of asking what is it that I can gain. Like instead of thinking that this coin can go 10x, या ये तो 100x जाएगा ही जाएगा. Think about this. Can this coin go 95% down? क्या ये 99% गिर सकता है? Because that way you are thinking about the risk tolerance as well, like risk management as well. So otherwise, I would say this is a pretty good portfolio. Then there is this portfolio: Doge 25%, Ethereum 28%, BNB 12, BTC 9, XRP 6, Matic 4, 16% in rest of the coin. भाई ने तो पूरी लिस्ट दे दी यार, मतलब this is a very well diversified portfolio. He started in April 21. So अगर मैं ऐसे देखता हूँ तो Ethereum, BTC and BNB, these are the top 5. Okay, so 28, 40, 50, which is okay. 6% Matic and XRP, like total inka 10%. So these coins are almost what, um, like 50, 60, 85, right? So Vansh is 85% in the top 10, which is pretty amazing. Okay, this is one of the best things that you can do. You can stay in the top 10. Rest 16% is in other coins, which again is mostly in top 25, like ADA, DOT, WIT, Link, BCH, LTC, SHIB. SHIB is not 25, but Uni. Okay, I have no idea about when. Uh, Dent, BDD, ROK, IOST, no idea. So my feedback here is gonna be that you are too diversified. Like see the number of points: 2, 4, 6. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So almost 21 coins. At any point of time, I would not recommend you to have 21 coins in your portfolio. It's too much. It's too much. It's not the regular stock picking game, और जैसे investors बोलते हैं, VCs बोलते हैं that we invest in 10 startups, 2 fail, 3 of them do okay, or 3 fail, 3 of them do okay, and 4 are the winners, या जो भी उनका calculation होता है. You have to understand that in crypto every coin pumps. Okay, every single coin pumps, but every single coin also dumps. Now when you have 20 coins and let's say you have 10,000 rupees to buy the dip, आप कैसे डिसाइड करोगे आप किस कॉइन के लिए डिप बाई करो? And you'll not be able to get your maximum return, right? Like, if I have to give you just one piece of advice, I would just say that stick to not more than 5 coins in your portfolio. You can remove one or two of these or three of these if you want to have a little more, like, of the top 25 coins. So you can probably get rid of one, 2 or 3 coins from there and keep one or two of these, or like maximum two. But again, it's a lot. You simply have to think, अगर मैं 10,000 रुपीज़ से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास 20 coins हैं, आई एम पुटिंग 5,000 रुपीज़ इन ईच. What is the benefit? The one benefit I can think of is कि अगर ये पंप होंगे तो सारे ही होंगे. Again, in crypto every coin pumps. ये डंप होंगे तो सारे ही होंगे. So I can't understand the logic of doing dollar cost averaging here, because every coin is going to dump, right? So why would I spread myself so thin? I have made this mistake when I used to have 30, 40, 50 coins. Trust me, this is the best way to get wrecked. Okay. So even though you have just 16% in the rest of the coins, I would say, uh, like my personal recommendation, and since you are just starting out in April 21, is going to be take two of these, remove two of these, and stick to them. Had you been a seasoned investor, like who has seen a bear market, I would be still okay saying कि चलो इसमें से 4-5 coins भी चलेंगे, because you have seen the movement, you have seen how bear market is. But since you're just starting out, this is too much. So my only recommendation is going to be कि reduce your positions from these and stick to two, remove two from here. Let's see. Next one is from money. So BAT, ATC, XRP, WIT, ADA, BNB, BCH, ICP, Atom, DOT. So ICP, BNB, ADA, XRP are the top four. Like these are four from the top 10. WIT, Bitcoin Cash, Atom, DOT. DOT is also in top 20, 25, I think. Yeah, top 10 maybe. So the biggest downside I see of this portfolio is there is no Bitcoin, there is no Ethereum. It's very heavy risky portfolio because it's all into alts. The second downside I see is again 8 to 9 coins, too much, like really, really too many coins. Okay, so in the beginning he was buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, then Doge, but then got excited. So this is what happens, right? You get excited, you start buying other coins, and you have to understand that in crypto every single coin will pump. if you get into your if you get your timing right, every coin will pump by 10, 15, 20x on the very minimum. So it's not about the pump, it's about when BTC crashes, it will take every coin with it. It's like Titanic of crypto. अगर मैं डूबूंगा तो मैं सबको लेके डूबूंगा, वैसे वाला सीन है, कर ले जितना कुछ ट्राई करना है, इट्स having that kind of an attitude. So again, my recommendation would be to have one or two of these coins and stick to more of, like, the top 10 coins. For example, BTC, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, ADA. इनमें से 3 coins रख सकते हो, बाकी दो you have to choose. But again, have more of a conservative portfolio because you have to understand that we have just one last leg up for this bull run. As soon as the market starts crashing again, you're going to get wrecked. You're going to lose like 60, 70, 80% of your portfolio in 2 days or one day. Trust me, I have been there, I have lost it, and that's why I would say that stick to the top ones. Okay. Anuj again. So most of the people, by the way, are starting in April, as you can see. So WRX 20%, BNB 40, SHIB 4, LTC, ETC. Okay, great. So the biggest benefit that I see of this portfolio is BNB, LTC, Matic. These are the top 20 coins. BNB is in top 5. So this is really good. Like you are 56% in top 10. The downside I see is there is again no Bitcoin, no Ethereum. Okay, I have no idea about ATC. Like I have seen the chart a couple of times, but I've never played it. WRX I have in my own portfolio as well, so I can tell you, like, I play this chart a lot. Rest of the coins are okay, but again, no BTC, no Ethereum. So I would probably remove one or two coins from here at BTC and Ethereum. Okay. Then there is Shavam, WET 36%, TRX 34, XRP 18, EOS 6, Luna 6. So again, there is no BTC, there is no Ethereum. You are going to get wrecked. You are going to get wrecked. And if you see a lot of us, okay, I'll show you something common. Okay, so let me come here and let's see. So अब देखो एक बात समझना. This is the circulating supply of the coin. Okay, so we as humans, and it's not restricted to just India. मैं ऐसा नहीं कहूँगा कि सिर्फ इंडियंस ऐसा करते हैं, हर कंट्री के लोग ऐसा करते हैं. We think of कि okay, so VeChain, Tron, Doge, BTT, Hot, SHIB. Even if you are having $100 or let's say 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, you can buy a lot of these in 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. So for example, अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लेके चलता हूँ, let's divide 100 by this. So you can buy 877 wet. Okay, if I take this in $100, okay, you can buy 1357. Great. Again, Doge, you can buy a lot of it, like 300. BTD, a lot of it. SHIB, a lot of it. This is one of the most like common thing I have seen again and again. हम ये सोचते हैं यार 100 रुपये में, 500 रुपये में, 1000 रुपये में ये बहुत सारा आ जाएगा. नाउ लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. आप इमेजिन करो, आप हर हफ्ते, हर महीने, ओके, अपने घर का सामान लेने जाते हो, ग्रोसरीज लेने जाते हो. आप आटा खरीदते हो, दाल खरीदते हो, चावल खरीदते हो, आप बिस्किट खरीदते हो, नमकीन खरीदते हो, दूध, चीनी, शक्कर, जो भी होता है ये सारी चीज़ें खरीदते हो आप, ठीक है। चाय, कॉफ़ी, ये सब। आप उसके अलावा सर्फ लेते हो, सोप वगैरह सारी चीज़ें खरीदते हो, 10, 20, 50 जितनी भी आपकी लिस्ट में चीज़ें होती हैं सारी चीज़ें खरीदते हो। एक दिन आप क्या कहते हो, आप बोलते हो भाई मुझे ना कुछ, लेट से मेरे को टूथपेस्ट नहीं मिला, या मुझे च्यवनप्राश नहीं मिला, या मुझे डिटर्जेंट नहीं मिला, तो मैंने क्या करा, जो वो 500 रुपये का डिटर्जेंट आता ना, उससे मैंने 500 रुपये का नमक खरीद लिया, क्योंकि नमक मिल रहा था 10 रुपये का पैकेट। मुझे लगा मैं 500 रुपये का डिटर्जेंट खरीद के क्या करूँगा, 500 रुपये में तो नमक के 50 पैकेट आ जाएंगे, तो आपने नमक के 50 पैकेट ले लिए। अब आप पूछो खुद से, क्या ये समझदारी थी? आपको नमक के 50 पैकेट की नीड नहीं थी, पर आपने 50 पैकेट ले लिए क्योंकि वो सस्ता बहुत था। ये बेवकूफ़ी है ना। This is what every person does. They think, oh, okay, so Bitcoin is at $35,000, it's at $40,000, Ethereum is at $4,000, it's at $3,000. इतना महंगा क्या ही ले लूँगा मैं इसमें, ऐसा करता हूँ उतना ही पैसा, 5,000 10,000 रुपये जो मैं बिटकॉइन इथीरियम में डालता, मैं सस्ते कॉइन्स खरीद लेता हूँ क्योंकि ज़्यादा मिल जाएंगे। बहुत सी बेवकूफ़ी है। ज़्यादा का करोगे क्या अगर उस केस में आपका पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रॉन्ग ही नहीं है? नमक से पूरा महीना चला लोगे क्या अपना? आटे की जगह नमक थोड़ा ले आओगे, अगर आटा महंगा है नमक से? Think about it. It's not, it's stupidity. Okay, and I'm not going to say that I haven't done it. I have. मैंने अपने 2017 के स्टार्टिंग में रिपल बहुत ज़्यादा खरीद लिया था, बिकॉज बहुत सस्ता था। आई रिमेंबर मैंने शायद 25 रुपये से खरीदना स्टार्ट करा था, 17, 18 या 25 रुपये से। क्यों? सबसे सस्ता वही था। उस टाइम पे एक बिटकॉइन 15 लाख का था। आई हैड 50,000 रुपीज़ टू स्टार्ट विद। मैं सोचा यार इतने में तो कितना ही बिटकॉइन मिल जाएगा, 0.00 समथिंग। इससे अच्छा रिपल खरीद लेता हूँ, कितना सारा आ जाएगा। And that's a mistake I made. So you have to understand that don't make the same mistake. Okay, सस्ता मिल रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो आपके पोर्टफोलियो के लिए अच्छा है। So stick to the strong ones. Okay, now again, this is on 21st. So I started in May. Lambo 30%, Matic 20, Shib 13, ADA 8, then Stop Elon 8, TRX 6, Doge 5, BTC 5, XRP 3. So again, first feedback, stay more in BTC and Ethereum. Second feedback, this is like 9 coins, stick to 5. Third feedback, Lambo and Stop Elon are shit coins. Okay, don't put more than 5% of your portfolio in shit coins, or more than 10%, not more than that. This would be my biggest feedback to you. So again, आप ये चीज़ सोचो कि even if you're putting 10% of your portfolio in one shit coin, if it goes to zero, you have instantly lost 10%. Okay, I know हम सारे 10x 100x gains चाहते हैं, but you also have to understand that what if this coin goes to zero, and the possibility is there. Any of the shit coins can go to zero. So I personally don't go more than 5% in every, like, overall shit coin portfolio, because मुझे पता है अगर मेरे पास 10,000 रुपये हैं, मैं shit coin में 100 रुपये भी डाल रहा हूँ, I have the possibility of losing it to zero as well. एंड अगर मैं 100 रुपये करके 10 कॉइन्स में इन्वेस्ट भी कर रहा हूँ, 1000 रुपये, उनमें से अगर एक भी 10x करता है तो भी आई एम स्टिल गोइंग टू ब्रेक इवन। दो 10x करते हैं, देन आई एम स्टिल गोइंग टू मेक सम ओके मनी। सो यू हैव टू थिंक लाइक दैट। ओके, other than that, let's see, these are all 21 by the way. So 50% Doge, 30% Bitcoin, 20% Shibu. Same feedback, like heavy in Doge, heavy in Shibu, you're going to get wrecked. Have more Ethereum, have one other stable coin. Reduce your Doge percentage, put some in Ethereum, put another in like BNB, ADA, Dot, one of these. Okay, so let's see, 21, 21, 21. This is also 21. So Matic 37, BTC 12, Ethereum 20, ETC 8, Doge 23%. Started May 21. Great. So yeah, this still looks good. BTC and Ethereum is 32. I would say okay, ठीक है, 30-40 तक minimum होना चाहिए. So if you are starting out, it's okay. The good thing is that Doge and Matic are also in the top 15. So that's good. ETC का, like I said, I have zero idea. So I would say this is still a very decent portfolio, like uh, good portfolio. Okay, and let's see. Do we have any more? Um, Okay, so these were the ones that we got. Okay, so I have already like reviewed all of the portfolios that were posted. So as for like which people have the best one who get $10 in fiat, let me see. So Immortal definitely gets $10 because like I would say one of the best portfolios, like easily out of all the ones I have seen. So you get $10. DM me, I'll send you $10. Okay. Um, let's see. Not this portfolio again because there is too much in Doge and Shibu. So, and this is constructive feedback for you, like Karan. Don't take it in a negative way. Again, this is not the like I would not say the most stable and balanced portfolio because there is a lot of shit coins. Definitely going to get wrecked with a heavy portfolio like this. Um, Anthony, I gave you the feedback, but still, the good thing is I have 50% in Bitcoin and Ethereum, so I would still say that this is good. You get $10. Let me know. Your like DM me and I'll sort you out. Okay, there is no Bitcoin and Ethereum in this Anuj, so that's definitely going to be there. Um, Other than that, let me see. Okay, so the third one I would say Vansh. I know that I shared a couple of things you should change in your portfolio, but still, the best thing I am seeing right now here is that you have 85% in the top 15. Okay, which is pretty good. Pretty good. Like the feedback is there and everything is there, but still, this is smart. Like having 85% in the top 15, you're going to get erect if the market dips, but less erect as compared to the other portfolios we have seen. So I hope this helped you guys. As for if I was starting out or if I was to recommend it to my like let's say my parents, what would I recommend? I would probably get them to stick with 3 to 4 coins. One is going to be BTC, one is going to be Ethereum. Okay, of course. So this is going to be at least 30% and 30%. Then the next one is going to be BNB simply because Binance is the biggest exchange. I personally see the utility of BNB क्योंकि there is Binance Smart Chain now similar to Ethereum Smart Chain and जितने भी shitcoins है वो mostly Binance Smart Chain के उस पे ही आ रहे हैं तो that is the utility there. Okay. Next one, like I would recommend them Dot because again I know Dot is a good project. It has good potential. So I would say these four. I'm not picking up ADA even though it's a good project or any of these other because I would want them to have a little like ठीक Dot is number 9. So you know it's one of that coin that can still give you a little higher results. And out of these, if I have to pick anyone, I would either go with Matic or I would go with Link. Any of these. Oh, by the way, just saw ETC is also in top 20. Great. So yeah, if I had my parents getting started right now, I would get them BTC, Ethereum, BNB, and DOT. ये चार coins. And again, not talking about the fundamental level. I'm just talking about how I see in terms of layman. Because अगर हम historical charts पे चलते हैं, um, let's see historical snapshots. Okay, so let's go back in 2016. Okay, or let's go back to 2017 1st of January. So आप देख सकते हो Bitcoin was there, Ethereum was there, even XRP, Litecoin were there, ETC was there. So these two have been there since forever. XRP, LTC, XMR, ETC have been there. Okay, if I have to go to 2015 के हम फर्स्ट वीक के स्नैपशॉट पर चलते हैं तो BTC, XRP, Litecoin, these have been there. Okay, Dogecoin was still there, very cheap. XLM was there, MadeSafe, PTS, then again other coins. Okay, so this is 2015. This is 2017. If I go for 2000, let's say 16. So Bitcoin, XRP, Litecoin, Ethereum. So again, mostly if you see top 10 coins have been more or less the same. Okay, let's go to 2018. अगर टॉप 10 में नहीं रहे पुराने कॉइन्स तो टॉप 20 में आ गए होंगे बट उससे ज़्यादा रेयरली कोई कॉइन डिप करे सो बी टी सी एक्स आर पी इथीरियम बी सी एच एडा सो एडा वॉज इन 2018 in the top 5. Great. And if I go to 2019, So let's check 2019, and finally let's check 2020, and then let's check the start of this year. So in 2019, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, XLM, these were the top ones. Okay, and in 2020, again BTC, Ethereum, XRP, BCH, LTC, BNB was there at 14. Like 1 year back at 14. Wow. So in this year, BTC, Ethereum, LTC, XRP, DOT, BCH, BNB at 41, ADA. So you can see almost the top 10, top 20 are always the same. So this is why I would recommend my parents to stick with these one. Okay, and I hope this video made some sense. If you have questions, let me know, and the winners that I mentioned in this video, DM me and I'll send you $10. Okay, all right, bye.